put this one with just warm water, plain warm water, and this one salt warm water, and see what one goes to the bottom fastest. Whatever one goes to the bottom fastest is the winner of the egg race.
Then, how much salt did you put in the cup?
1 tablespoon.
Can you show me on the...
And now I shall pour hot water in this. And now in the other, just like I said, plain hot water, salt hot water. I'm mixing the salt with the water, so it'll be salt water, regular hot water. Go. 1, 2, 3. They both sink.
So what do you think we should do next?
Put a little bit of more salt.
That's a good idea. You want to try that? What do you think, Ben? Why do you think more salt? Think we didn't get enough in there?
Yeah, it's because they both sink.
Okay. Shall we try it?
It was a tie, so let's do it.
Okay, how much salt how much salt do you pour in there, Ben?
Inside of here?
Sure.
Okay.
Both. Tell me each.
2 tablespoons and 1 tablespoon.
Okay.
So if I put this one in there, it will be 3 tablespoons. So that means salt, hot water, and regular hot water, just like I said.
Okay.
Now, see that one egg, its tip is still floating, and this egg is totally on the bottom.
What do you think you're going to do now? What would you do now?
I would put a little more salt in. I would put maybe 4 tablespoons.
How much salt do you have in there now?
4 tablespoons.
Okay.
And once I put it in here, it only has 3 tablespoons, so it will have 7 tablespoons in here.
Okay. Okay.
And 1, 2, 3. Oh, it just floated.
How many?
It did not float with 3 tablespoons. It floated this one for 7 tablespoons of salt. Now, and now it is floating inside of the water. A little bit more water.
You want to try more water? Okay, let's do it. Assistant.
Tell me when to stop.
Now. And now it is floating in the middle of the water. We shall see if other things float.
What do you want to try?
This.
So you have one really, really small rock.
Yes, it will be this. And it also
So even a small one.
sinks. Also sink. So that means it rocks almost every single time, no matter what's in the water, it sinks. Rocks sink. And that's 2 jelly beans. One in the water that the egg floated in, and one in the water that the egg did not float in. And now I shall test this one and here. Sinks. Now this one in here. Sinkers. Chips. Now, one in that one in this one. And I shall start with that. And it floats on the top. And it floats a little boat for a jelly bean. Floats. And it's just a little for the other jelly bean. Let's see if this critter will float. And it does, just like a huge tree that folds into the water. Now let's try this. And it's exactly the same as the eggs. Let's try Sugar Snappy. Floats also. See this one. Floats also. Just like a leaf. Switch. So now the fatty one goes in there, skinny one goes in there. And it's just the same. Now let's try hands.
Okay.
I broke them in half. Let's see what happens when this one goes in the same one. Sinks. Let's see when it body goes in. See. Let's see with this. It sinks. Let's see with this. It floats. Now let's see what this one does in the other water. Broken. Let's test it. The same thing. Let's try this one in here. Oh, does the same thing. Except one bubbling up.